Good morning, students. So we are continuing our chapter number 3, playing with numbers, and we were doing our topic factors and multiples. The first part, factors, we had completed on Monday. Now let's understand about the multiples. What are multiples? So multiple is that number which comes in the multiplication table of the given number. मीन्स मल्टीपल्स आपके वो नंबर होते हैं जो जिस नंबर का हम मल्टीपल्स फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं उसके टेबल्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल में आते हैं. ओके, मल्टीपल आपका एक ऐसा नंबर होता है जो हमारा गिवन नंबर जिस किसी नंबर के भी हम मल्टीपल्स फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं उसके टेबल में आते हैं, उनको हम मल्टीपल्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 7. Multiples of 7 will be 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and so on up to infinity. Okay, so if you will multiply this 7 one time, you will get 7. If you will multiply this 7 by 2, so you will get 14. If you will multiply this 7 3 times, you will get 21 and so on. Okay, in the same manner, if we will consider second example, the multiples of 12 will be again the table of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 and so on. Okay, so I have written here 12. 12 means 12 into 1 we will get 12. 12 into 2 we will get 24. Means I have written how we are getting these multiples of 12. 12 into 3 we will get 36, 12 into 4 48, 12 into 5 60 and up to infinity, because there is no end for these numbers. Now 5, after 5 6 will come, 7 will come and so on, because there are so many numbers. So this we can write infinite number of multiples for this 12 or for any number. Okay, now we had studied these factors and multiples separately. Now just have a look on the combination. What is the relation between these two? Means the factors and multiples. For example, if you are writing 4 into 5, this will be equal to 20. Now these 4 and 5 will be the factors. Okay, and whatever number we are getting after multiplying these factors, that will be the multiple. Okay, you can to remember what is multiple and what is factors, just remember this thing: whatever number you will get after multiply and multiples, you can by this resemblance you can remember. Okay, so whatever number you will get after multiplying the factors, that will be our multiple. Okay, and the numbers whose product we are taking are known as the factors. Okay, so here in this example 4 and 5 are the factors of this 20, and this 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. Okay, so this is the relation between factors and multiples. अगर हम इसको सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझें तो ये है कि जब भी हम किसी दो नंबर्स का या 3 नंबर्स का हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, तो जो नंबर्स का हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं वो नंबर्स हमारे फैक्टर्स होते हैं, एंड the answer which we are getting after multiplying these numbers. Okay, जब इन नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन का रिजल्ट आता है या आंसर आता है तो वो हमारा उन सभी नंबर्स का मल्टीपल होता है. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट when we multiply 2 or more factors, then the result will be a multiple of the same factors. सेम फैक्टर्स मीन्स उन्हीं नंबर्स का वो मल्टीपल रहेगा. ओके, जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पर लिखा था 20 is a multiple of 4 एंड 5. ये 4 एंड 5 का हम यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे थे और ये इन्हीं नंबर्स का मल्टीपल है. ओके, नाउ just like properties of factors, we are having some properties of multiples. Now first, so we will understand these properties with the help of example. So again we are writing the same example. So first property is every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, it is quite easy because whenever you multiply the given number by 1, you will get the same number. Okay, whatever means whatever number you are having, if you will have to write the first multiple of that number, so it must be the number itself. Okay, because whenever you will multiply any number by 1, you will get the same number. Okay, so in this manner we will get 7 here and 13 here. Okay, now the second property, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Every multiple of a number मतलब हर एक मल्टीपल जो किसी भी नंबर का होता है वो ग्रेटर होता है या इक्वल होता है टू दैट नंबर. उसी नंबर के या तो ग्रेटर रहेगा या इक्वल रहेगा. लेट्स सी multiples of 7 we are writing again. Now the first multiple will always be equal to the number because first multiple will always be the number itself. So this will be equal to what I have written. The multiple is greater than, either it is greater than or equal to that number. So it is equal, mean the first multiple is equal and after that all the multiples will be greater than the number. Okay, now if we will look at this 14, 21, 28, all these multiples are greater than 7. Now the third property is the number of multiples of a given number are infinite. This thing I already told you because numbers are infinite and while finding the multiples we are multiplying that number by other numbers. Okay, just like 4 one time will be equal to 4, 2 times will be 8, 12, 3 times, 4 times it will be 16, 4 5 times will be 20, then 6 times 24, 7 times 28, 8 times 32 and so on. Okay, so the number of multiples means जैसे हमारा फैक्टर्स के साथ किया था कि फैक्टर्स हमारे लिमिटेड होते थे, फाइनाइट होते थे, जस्ट ऑपोजिट ऑफ दैट नंबर ऑफ मल्टीपल्स जो हमारे होते हैं वो इनफाइनाइट होते हैं. ओके, सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मल्टीपल्स. ओके, थैंक यू.